प्रिया प्रिया किशोरी किशोरी लाडली कहने की आदत सी पड़ गई है। श्री बरसाना धाम श्री धाम बरसाना मैं रहने की श्री धाम में जीने की आदत सी पड़ गई है। श्री धाम में जीने की मरने की पीने की आदत सी पड़ गई है। पी लो ये राधा नाम का रस पी लो जी लो तुम अमर हो कर जी लो। राधे राधे किशोरी किशोरी लाडो लाडो प्रिया प्रीतम राधे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण राधे 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 श्यामा श्याम श्यामा राधे 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 बड़ी भागिनी कौन तपस्या की तीन लोक तारण तरण सो तेरे अधीन। राधे 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 रानी राधे राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण। राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। प्रिया प्रीतम की जय हो। मेरे लाल लाल की जय हो। राधा गोविंद मेडिटेशन डिवाइन फॉर्म्स इन लोटस फीट प्रभुपाद एट राधा दामोदर इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी राधा कुंड महिमा माधुरी राधे कृष्ण आर्ट ऑफ चैंटिंग हरे कृष्ण गायत्री महिमा माधुरी गौड़िया वैष्णव संप्रदाय समाधीज 64 super excellent qualities of Sri Krishna. Illuminations on Nam Aparad is dedicating to Nitya Leela Pravisita Om Vishnupad Ashtottar Srimati Yeshi Bhakti. You can control the mind when you fix up the mind on Krishna's lotus feet. Only you can control. When can you control? Only you can control. Only and only you can control your mind when you meditate on the lotus feet of Sri Krishna and Sri Radharani. Only and only then you can control your mind. If your mind is meditating every time, day and night, all and every day, all whole year, if you will meditate on the lotus feet of Sri Radharani, you can control your mind. You can control your mind. Your mind will be already controlled by lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. That's all. Krishna's lotus feet and Radha Rani's lotus feet are not different, they are same to same. No nonsense. No nonsense can come within your mind. No nonsense can come within your mind. No nonsense can come within your mind. Simply Radhe Krishna, Radhe. That is the perfection of meditation. That is the perfection of meditation. Radhe Radhe कहने की आदत सी पड़ गई है. The lotus feet of Radha Rani, Srimati Radha Rani, Krishna's and Radhika's lotus feet, you can see this is the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. One is sun and this is Shankh, Dhanus, and this is circle and circle, ring, circle, ring, and this is jaw, Kadana, this is umbrella, Chhata, this is flag, this is Bhala, this is fan, this is lotus, flower, and this is the Satya, this is square under square, these are four symbols, this is machli, mean fish, and this is Tara, Chand, Chandama, moon, triangle under triangle, these are Ghade, and these are two circles. These are the lotus feet of Krishna, but Srimati Radharani's lotus feet are some different. Fish and moon both are present. Sun are present. Three are same. Lotus 4. Then this flag 5. Then this bhala 6 bhala. Then 7 umbrella. Then this is ring is different. Gulab, rose is different. This is Kalash is different. This is Shankh 8. This is stone, Pahad, mountain, different. This is temple, different. This is different. This is Gada, Trisul, different. Sudarshan Chakra. These are only 10 symbols, but these are different. So you have to meditate on the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika Rani, Radhika's Rani lotus feet. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inquired, once time Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inquired, out of many types of meditation which is required for all living entities, which meditation is required? Srila Ramananda Rai replied, the chief duty of every living entity is to meditate upon the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. The chief duty, mukhya duty, supreme duty, the kartabya, this is my duty, this is my responsibility, this is chief responsibility, duty, supreme responsibility of every living entity is to meditate upon the lotus feet of Sri Radha and Krishna. There are many forms of meditations and many different goals, many forms of meditations and many different types of goals and different types of meditations forms to attain by each meditation technique. There are different technique, different forms of meditations, different types of goals. But in quote above, Ramananda Rai points out that the Dhyan Pradhan, main chief meditation is to fix one's mind on the lotus feet of Srimati Radha Rani, on the beautiful lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna. Krishna's lotus feet are the perfect, Radha Rani's lotus feet are the perfect object of meditation because they shiver the attachment of the material life. They shiver, S-E-V-E-R, shiver means khatam kar dete hain, the attachment of which attachment? Material attachment. They sever the attachment to material life and fulfill the desires of the devotees. By doing the meditation, only by doing the meditation, those people who want to know how can my desires will be fulfilled. You can understand now your desires will be fulfilled only and only by the meditation. Only by meditation, simply by meditation, you can fulfill your desires on the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani and Krishna.